Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to add best friends on Instagram. And the first step is go to the application of Instagram. And after that, when you enter in the application, you need to go to your profile. And in your profile, in the superior part of this page of your profile, you need to go to the superior right corner in the bottom of these three lines. Pick here, and after that you need to down to the part of close friends. So in close friends I have this person select, but you can clear all, and the only thing you need to do to add this person to close friends is a choice like this to pick in your in their profile, and the only thing you need to do is pick here, and you pick in done, and the person is add to the list. And when you posted like a story to close friends, these only these persons, these people can see this story because they are in in close friends. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.